Watch this entire video to the end, and then, click on the links in the description below for more information. Grimoire Books of Shadows. The Books of Shadows are something with which few people are familiar now. But still I would briefly explain it to you. These are the books where magical recipes of spells and potions that were worked upon and experimented by witches and wizards centuries ago were jotted down. They are like the personal diaries. They were part of the Wiccan crafts and religion. No two Books of Shadows were found similar actually. Since there were various methods to prepare a spell or a potion, so naturally the Books of Shadows of each witch and wizard were different. But the spells in the books had nothing to do with harming people or inflicting injuries in the life of people. Now we come to something different, called the Grimoire Books of Shadows. They were not like the ordinary Books of Shadows. They had different characteristics. They were considered as the counterpart of the original ones. Since the ordinary and better-known Books of Shadows had nothing to do with evil and it only dealt with spells and potions that can positively affect the life of people, so naturally you can conclude that Grimoire Books of Shadows had something strongly to do with evil. Even the look of the book is quite scary for that matter. The cover of the book is of rusty brown color. Above it is drawn a symbol of an inverted or turned upside-down pentagram. Apart from that there is also an image of a skull on the brown book cover. It is said that the Grimoire Books of Shadows have pages that have turned dark and quite black due to the evil and negative energies with which they deal very closely. Just like the Books of Shadows, even this book has the tremendous power to protect itself from the good influences and positive energy flow of the universe. These energies are the enemies and foes of these books. The spells and various incantations that are written in this book are in Latin. The appearances that it makes are not very large in number and later they are considered to be orbed under a huge rock present in the mountain ranges of the West Andes. It is believed that this was done by Leo in order to achieve a special purpose. The purpose of doing so was to prevent the event of coronation of any other source. For a very long period of time the books were prevented from being sold, but in the early 2000s, for the first time, they were sold online. Get more information on witchcraft, spells, and magic, by clicking on the resource links below in the description. Make sure that you like and share this video. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Visit us at witchcraftmagic.com, and sign up for weekly freebies. Thanks for watching.